Hi, welcome to American Pinay's Winter Wonderland. So it's snowing here for the last 2 days, and today hopefully it's gonna be the last. Snows are slowly melting, which is good. But anyway, today I am going to talk about the survival paracords. If you are wondering how to make this, please keep on watching and I'll show you how to create your own survival paracord bracelet. Okay, so first we're gonna need 2 sets of paracord, a scissor, and a lighter. So each of the paracord is 72 inches long or 6 feet. We are going to grab one end of each paracord and take about 5 inches for later as your tightener. Then from that 5 inches, we are going to measure our wrist. Mark that part by folding. It kind of looks like letter M. So the short part is the size, the length of our bracelet, and the other sides would be our working end. Next, we'll start with the left paracord. You grab the left paracord. You are going to cross under these 2 paracords, which is the length of your bracelet, and on top of your right paracord, which is the black one. Grab the end of the right paracord and then you feed that through the hole of your left paracord. That. You hold both working paracord, both end, and pull it together right at that part where you folded it. You want to make sure you leave a little gap or a little hole in this part, because you're gonna need that later. Grab your right paracord and have it go under these 2 paracords over your left paracord, and then grab the end of your left paracord and feed it again to your right hole. And tighten it. So we create like a letter Q, and then the right paracord will go through that hole and then pull together. This time, instead of letter Q, it will be letter P. So P. And then feed that black to that hole, letter P, and then pull. So you're just gonna keep doing the same thing over until you get to the end where you want the length of your bracelet to be. So now we are going to close this end of our bracelet by inserting 1 paracord to this loop. And make sure it's all tight. Then trim it with your scissor. We are going to use a lighter to keep this in place. Be careful not to get burned. And remember the 5 inches we saved up for later? That's what we are going to insert through these 2 loops and create our stopper. The left paracord to the left loop, the right paracord to the right loop. Now to create our stopper, all we have to do is make like a figure 8 knot, but create 1 or 2 inches gap from the bracelet to the stopper for you to be able to expand the bracelet when you put it on. And make sure it's all tight. Then we're just gonna cut the leftover paracord and finish it by burning the tip. I just used the scissor to avoid myself from burning to flatten the tip. There you have it, your Survival Paracord Bracelet. Thank you again for watching the video, and I hope you learned and you will enjoy making your own Survival Paracord Bracelet. Make plenty and maybe give some of it to your friends. So thank you again very much. Hope to see you again next time.